What?
Okay. There's Catherine.
Okay.
Where's she at? Where's she at?
Have any of you ever imagined going to outer space? Well, that is my dream, to go to outer space and explore the universe. According to NASA.gov, the people of the United States don't believe that the federal government has achieved much since they put the man on the moon. In my personal opinion, I believe that as well. The reasons for us to colonize Mars range from goods that could be exported from here to Earth to it being a place for us or our children to call home someday. The goods that could be exported from Mars are many rare metals such as deuterium, which play an important role in the fusion reaction process and is hard to get here on Earth. Other metals such as platinum, gold, and silver are also found there. The economic value could be tremendous from mining the metals there and shipping them back to Earth. According to Popular Mechanics magazine and astronomer Martin Elvis, the cost of prospecting spacecraft has to come down tremendously before we can transport to other planets. My favorite reason for colonizing Mars is that it gives us, our human species, the chance of surviving a catastrophic event such as an asteroid or solar flare from the sun. It seems that the Earth tends to be wiped clean of almost all life every few million years. Another reason is that Mars is billions of years older than the Earth, and it offers scientists a view of how planets are formed. Now that you know a few of the reasons why we need to colonize Mars, now let's look at why this planet is the best choice for a new human population. Why is Mars the most suitable planet for us to make habitable when its atmosphere is mainly made up of carbon dioxide? Well, for one, it has all the necessary elements needed for sustaining life. According to findings from NASA's probe, there is water in the form of ice in the poles and perhaps underground. The carbon dioxide atmosphere contains both oxygen and carbon. Its rotational rate is almost exactly that of Earth, just over 24 hours. The axial tilt of Mars is 24 degrees opposed to that of Earth, which is 23.5 degrees. Even though Mars is further away from the Sun than the Earth and it is frigidly cold, with temperatures ranging from plus 75 degrees to minus 100 degrees, it is still close enough to experience season changes. Now we've explored why Mars is the most suitable planet for habitation and why we need to colonize it, so now let's look at what needs to be done to make it possible. Terraforming needs to be done to make the planet sustainable for life. What is terraforming? Terraforming is a hypothetical process of deliberately modifying the atmosphere, temperature, surface topography, or ecology of a planet to be similar to the biosphere of Earth in order to make it habitable by humans. That is what will need to be done to the planet before we can sustain life on it. According to NASA's Chris McKay and Mars visionary Robert Zubrin, they have 3 suggested ideas on how to terraform the planet Mars. People also need to be protected from the environment. Even if you personally aren't ready to go to the moon, I don't think we should try to stop others who want to. So now you know why we should colonize Mars, and like I've heard say, we can do anything we set our minds to, so let's start doing.
Oh, we got a few more. Oh.